Learn how to cook salmon perfectly every time with these 3 simple methods: pan-seared, baked, and grilled. This quick and healthy salmon recipe is packed with flavor and ready in under 20 minutes. Perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a foolproof way to cook salmon. Subscribe for more easy recipes, timestamps, and recipes below. Want to know how to cook salmon perfectly every single time? Today, I'm showing you 3 foolproof ways to make juicy, flavorful salmon whether you're pan-searing, baking, or grilling. Stick around because this is going to be good. First up, pan-seared salmon. This method gives you crispy skin and tender, flaky fish in just 10 minutes.
Pat the salmon dry to season with salt, pepper, and a little paprika or garlic powder. 3. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat. 4. Place salmon skin side down. Cook for 4-5 minutes until crispy. 5. Flip. Cook for another 2-3 minutes until done. Look at that golden crust. Serve with lemon wedges for a restaurant-quality dish. Steps. 2. 1. Preheat oven to 90 F 100 C. 2. Line salmon on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. 3. Bake for 10-15 minutes. Steps. 3. 1. Oil the grill grates to prevent sticking. 2. Season salmon and place skin side down. 3. Grill for 4-5 minutes per side. There you have it, 3 easy ways to cook salmon perfectly every time. Which method are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple recipes, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Hot skinny recipe.